Hey guys, this is Wanda. Welcome to Crazy Days. Today, just 5 minutes of my day. I'm going to be planting the 3 of the pineapples that we have, the pineapple tops. So I'm over here. I'm going to show you what I'm doing here at our pot stash, or our stash of pots. Danny and I have been cleaning the place up, so this is where we have stashed all these pots, different sizes that we wanted to keep. We've gotten rid of any that we did not need. We've got wood stashed over here for firewood, more equipment, things like that. Down there, fat pine lighter, just stashing it on this hillside here where it's not just all junked up at the house. So this is our pot stash. And I've decided for the pineapples, these right here, I'm going to take these 3. And you see we have a variety of pots. This is thanks to buying trees and saving the pots. These big ones are thanks to landscapers, mineral tubs, whatever. That's how we got a lot of these things here. And when we need them, we have them. All kinds of pots. So pineapples going in this pot. And we're going to be riding in the Ranger. This thing gets us around everywhere we need to go. It is awesome. I love riding in it. We are in the greenhouse on the back of the barn. This one is about 4 or 5 years old, and you can see pineapples and aloe vera. Love it. So what we're doing, we're going to be taking some of these big pots out and revamping this greenhouse a little bit because it stays really hot. So I'm taking the dirt, gonna fill these 3 up, stick my pineapples in here, water them in good, and sit them over to the side so we can get these pots out eventually. Okay, this one was the really yellow golden one. Look at the roots on it. It has done some great roots, so we're going to plant it down in here. These 2 I harvested off of big pineapples in the greenhouse, and you can see the roots on them. So I'm going to put 1 in each one of these containers here. And then we're going to water it in. All right, I spread the roots out on this one, and I'm pouring the water that it grew in there. And then I'm adding more. And just let the water soak in. Because the dirt was really, really dry. Hopefully in a couple of 3 years, another golden pineapple. All right, we have it watered in. This is our golden one. Our other 2 here. And look at this. Our Malabar spinach. It hangs in there. Beautiful flowers and stuff. It does really great. I've been trying to collect some seeds from this stuff. It is awesome, and it tastes great in salads. A little bit about how to plant my pineapple tops that we saved here at Deep South Homestead. Thank you guys on Crazy Days.